Here's a quick thought for you. I'm reading from Hebrews chapter 12. It says, "Let us throw off everything that hinders and the sin that so easily entangles, and let us run with perseverance the race marked out for us, fixing our eyes on Jesus, the pioneer and perfecter of faith." That verse today has really encouraged me, and I pray that it will encourage you. First of all, we have to throw off everything that hinders us, the sin that easily entangles us. What is distracting you? What is pulling you back? What is like weeds choking around you, pulling you down into the water, and that you want to be free? Let's make a decision today to throw off those things, to leave them behind. And let us run with perseverance. Perseverance means we've got to keep going even when we don't feel like it. So I pray that you today will just keep going, putting one foot in the other, and not just walking but running with perseverance. The race marked out for us. God has a plan for you. God has a race for you. God has good things that he wants you to do this week. And let us, it says, fixing our eyes on Jesus, the pioneer and perfecter of faith. Fixing our eyes. When somebody asked Jesus, what's the most important thing? He said, love God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind, with all your strength. That's what fixing our eyes on Jesus means. It means not being distracted. It means I only have eyes for Jesus, that he will constantly be in my thoughts, that I have to keep checking in and thinking Jesus is part of everything that I'm doing, and he's with me all the time. Bless you today. May we live out that example. Let me just read it one more time and just take these words into your life. Let us throw off everything that hinders and the sin that so easily entangles, and let us run with perseverance the race marked out for us, fixing our eyes on Jesus, the pioneer and perfecter of faith. God bless you.